Assalamu alaikum. Our today's session will focus on Mudarabah. Mudarabah is a partnership or trust financing contract which is considered as sharing the profit and loss with venture capital, where one partner, Rabbul-mal, or silent partner or financier, gives money to another Mudarib or working partner for investing in a commercial enterprise. The proportion shared in profit is determined by mutual agreement, but the loss, if any, is borne only by the owner of the capital, in which case the entrepreneur gets nothing for his labor. Okay, in this case, the financier is known as a Rabbul-mal and the entrepreneur as Mudarib. As such, a financing technique adopted by Islamic bank. It is a contract in which all the capital is provided by Islamic bank while the business is managed by the other party. The profit is shared in pre-agreed ratio and loss, if any, unless caused by negligence or violation of terms of the contract by the Mudarib. If such happens, is borne by the Islamic bank. The bank passes on this loss to the depositors. Okay, we have two types of Mudarabah. Mudarabah al-Muqayyad and al-Mudarabah al-Mutlaq. Mudarabah al-Muqayyad is referred to restricted Mudarabah. It is a kind of Mudarabah that Rabbul-mal or capital owner specified a particular business for the Mudarib. In such case, he shall invest the money in that particular business or place. While unrestricted Mudarabah, which we call al-Mudarabah al-Mutlaqa, Rabbul-mal gives full freedom to Mudarib to undertake whatever business he deems fit. However, Mudarib cannot lend out the money to someone without the concept of Rabbul-mal, unless the parallel Mudarabah which is being given permission from the venture capital or Rabbul-mal. After understanding the meaning of Mudarabah and the classification or types of Mudarabah, what are the roles that Rabbul-mal and Mudarib plays in this transaction or business? The role of Rabbul-mal is to oversee the Mudarib activities and work with the Mudarib consents. In this means that he has nothing to do unless the Mudarib engage him or her to be part of it. But the role of Rabbul-mal is only to oversee the activities of Mudarib. What are the roles of Mudarib? The roles of Mudarib are as follows: trustee, agent, liable, employee. And those four different roles played by Mudarib, it has to be given that full privilege and opportunity in order to carry them out. The trustee, which in Arabic marks is called Amin, is to look after the investment responsibility except in the case of natural calamities. What of agent, which is called Wakil, is to purchase from the fund provided by the Rabbul-mal. If we come to the issue of liable, which we call it in Arabic marxis Zamin, is to provide for the loss suffered by the Mudarabah due to any act of his part. It means we consider this as a negligence if happens. But Mudarib is not allowed to take anything after the salary being given except with the Rabbul-mal concept. Termination of Mudarabah. The Mudarabah will stand terminated when the period specified in the contract expires. It can also be terminated anytime by either of the two parties by giving notice in order to liquidate the assets. I hope you find this one useful. Thank you for listening.